What's up, y'all? Let's look at the Discord as a whole, but focusing in on education. So a lot of people who come in and they just want to tone in and focus on the education aspect. So we're going to look at that and dive a little deeper and figure out how you're going to best use this for education. So if you're coming in, you want education, first thing you want to do is make sure you come to the class schedule tab. This is where we have a whole list of classes that we have, all our Zoom sessions that are regularly scheduled. So you want to go ahead and save these into your phone, right? Easiest ways to set a reminder for whatever class you want to come to, live options trading, our pre-market Zooms, our Forex classes, crypto classes, stock classes, whatever it is. You want to go ahead, lock it in your phone so you have a reminder to come in and join the class. You want to make sure that you come to class links because this is where we post the links to our classes, right? So once you come into the Zoom or come into the Discord to go to the Zoom, this is where you'll go. Now, aside of that, we have a lot of other educational channels. Here we have Nate, who focuses on education. If you want to get into ebooks and audiobooks, then we've dropped a ton of those here for you to look over in your spare time. This is where we record and post all of our recorded classes. So you want to make sure you come here to look at all the classes we've taught already. Some of the things you're interested in learning about might have been covered already. Crypto mining, for example, tips for trading with a 9 to 5. Right? Creating a watch list, simple swing trading without charts, how to predict market crashes, taxes for traders. There's so much in here. You want to go through and look at this. And then the rest of it, you can sort out based on what you're interested in. So if you're interested in stock market education, here's a channel full of different things related to stock market education, options education, right? You can come through here and learn about options, crypto trainings. These are different trainings covering crypto. We have stock recorded trainings for stocks, Forex trainings that are all recorded. And then we have some vocabulary sections as well if you're confused with a lot of the terms and you want to learn more. Now, the last two things are fairly new, and that's going to be the quiz section and then the book club, which is where we're going to start having book club sessions here. We're going to be able to read the book together, come in, have Zoom classes going over what we've read, and different books related to trading will be discussed so that we can all continue to grow as far as our education. So again, if you're somebody who's coming into the Discord and you want to focus on education, I recommend using these steps. You can go in your notifications and mute everything else if that's your main focus, and I'll show that in another video. Lastly, class ideas, so you can come and share any ideas you have for future classes. Thank you. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out.